Hello everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my weekly spread for the week of September 27th in my catch-all planner. This is also the week that October is starting on Friday. That is crazy. But also on October 1st, this Friday, is the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. So I have picked out some beautiful Disney stickers to decorate this weekly spread with in celebration of the 50th anniversary. And I will probably wait and post this video on the 1st just to, celebrate the 50th. I wish I could be celebrating by going to Disney World, but since I can't, I'll do this. So I picked out this kit from Simply Sweetly Crafty. I actually ordered this kit a long time ago, like back in, I don't know, February or March, and I almost forgot that I had it. I just hadn't used it. It is so beautiful. Hadn't used it, and then when I was thinking about doing Disney theme this week, I remembered that I had this. And so I've already pulled some stickers off, but just to kind of give you a glimpse of this kit. There's so much if you get the full kit. And so I'm not even going to come close to using these. I think I've already pulled off everything I'm going to use, may pull a few more as we get going. But it's a very large kit, so I'll be able to decorate more than one spread with it. And if you are interested, I'm going to link the Simply Sweetly Crafty Etsy shop below, and Diane, the shop owner, she has an amazing shop, you guys. I used to be on her PR team, and she has a lot of wonderful stickers, so I'm going to link her shop below. I'll specifically put a link to this kit in case you're interested in it, but definitely check out the rest of her shop. Like I said, she has a lot to choose from, and she's always, she's always putting, adding new stickers and stuff too, so... the first thing I want to do though here as we get started decorating is I'm going to white all of this out because we're going to cover it up with a sticker and I don't want it showing through. Oops. Okay. This is a new, different thing of whiteout, so getting used to how it actually goes on there. Okay, so this is the sticker I'm going to put over there. This is awesome. It says this week, and it has your bullet points to make your to-do list for the week. So we're going to stick that up in this corner. Hopefully putting it on straight. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay, and then the next thing I want to do is I pulled these strips of kind of washy stickers off, and I'm going to do some 2 different rows. I'm going to go all the way across the bottom with these beautiful polka dots. The colors and the design of this kit are just so fun. All right, let me grab my X-Acto knife. And then let's grab the other side. We're going to keep going with this across, oops. Gonna try to keep going with this across the bottom. So have you guys ever been to Disney World? I would love to hear from you. Comment below. I've actually only been to Disney World once and Disneyland once. And then my husband and I have also done a Disney cruise. And the cruise was my favorite, but I really love Disney World and Disneyland too. So fun. Okay, I got this a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little crooked. I'm just gonna see if I can pull this up a little bit and get it just a little more on that bottom line. There we go. I think that's a little better. And then this other washi sticker I chose, this has such a cute pattern on it. It has the little castle and the Minnie Mouse ears. And we're going to do that one just one row above the other one. Oops, I don't know if I got that one cut. There we go. And then the same design across the other page. Okay, now the other thing, I think the next thing I want to do, I picked out this sticker that has a line for every day of the week, and I'm going to use that to put my meals on for this week, I think. I usually in this planner just write on each day what the meal is going to be for that day. But I think this time I'm just going to put them all over here. And I also pulled out this, it has similar design to this washi that I want to put over here as well. So let's make sure we have enough room. I'm gonna have to go over this this square just a little bit. There we go. And then we'll put this right along the side here. And then I'm gonna grab my tweezers for some of these, and then I have this cute sticker. So some of the other stickers that I pulled out have this bow and then this blue and red. It's kind of like a dark navy blue, or maybe black. It might be black. It's looking a little navy blue to me, but it's beautiful, whatever it is. And I'm gonna put that up on top to label this meals. Okay. Now let's get to adding some of the other stickers on here. Let me actually grab these. I'm going to cluster a few of these. Yeah, let's put this one in line as much as possible. And then that one there. Here's another sticker with those bows. There we go, a little cluster of stickers there. And then this one. I think we're gonna go right here with this one. And I'm not sure yet, I might just leave this right here, or I may find a box to layer. Yeah, I might find another box to layer on there. Let's actually see what, there's a bunch of these. This one, this one has a few other options. So I'm kind of trying to stick to the red and black, or yeah, the red and black. So the pink I'm going to use for another spread, so I can do a different, have a different theme. So I don't know, well, here's a black one and just a red one. Maybe we'll just take this one and add that here, around here somewhere. There we go. Okay, and then this one, super cute. We're gonna throw this one down here. And this little ribbon sticker. These are so cute. Put this one up in the corner. And then I think we're pretty much done with this side. We'll move to the next side. And this one, I love this, oops, I love this sticker so much. That design is just awesome. I love like the drip paint of the picture of the castle. Okay, I'm gonna put this one down right up against the washi strip. And some cute ribbons. And then I have some more I want to cluster over here. This sticker is absolutely gorgeous. I think it could go either way. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Put this one up in the corner. And then here's where I want kind of a cluster around Friday. So Friday, of course, we're gonna mark that that is the 50th anniversary. Let's go like right here, maybe. Stagger that a little. And then this other cute like ribbon sticker in the corner of Friday. And then I think I want to throw this one up here somewhere. Let's go right here. And then I have one more box that I pulled out with the polka dot design. I was thinking right over here. I don't know now if that's too, I might go for it just right here. I don't know if that's too close to the other polka dot box, but that's okay. Okay, and then the last thing I want to kind of throw on here, well, let me double check and see if there's any other. Let's add one more. Here's this plain red box. Actually, let me see what else we have. Just thinking maybe like another checklist or something over here for the weekend. We have these two kind of go with the other groups of stickers that I want to save for other spreads. We could do these like ribbon stickers that just have the hearts for you to check off. Let's do that. Get that off. There we go. Let's do that here. Yeah, so then I have a to-do list over here, and then this can be like my weekend chore list, which sometimes how I usually use my to-do list that I put over in the sidebar is just an overview as I'm getting ready to plan for that week of things I know I want to do that week, and then oftentimes I'll write them again on the specific day that I want to do them. So it might seem repetitive, but when I'm planning at the beginning of the week, it's one place I can write everything down, and then as the week goes, I can kind of plug it in on the days that I'll actually be able to do it. So that's kind of why I do it that way. It might seem redundant, but it's like kind of like a pre-plan, and then as I get into the week, I can actually see where I can plug things in. All right, last thing I want to add is this sticker pack came with these super cute little stickers that label different things like trash day, payday, things like that. So Wednesday was our trash day and our payday, so I'm actually going to put both of these. Here's the payday one. Put both of these on Wednesday. Payday and trash day. And then Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, is also, my husband has a doctor appointment, so I'll put that there. This Tuesday, I already know we're going to want to do takeout. I might put this down here though. Close to the end of the day. I'm not exact, but I do usually use the top line for more of like morning things or overall day things, and then midday things, and then evening things. And then date night, we usually do kind of a date night. Sometimes it's a date night in, but we usually do a date night on Saturday. So I'll put that there. I actually should put it here because I just said like I use this for the night, but that's okay. It'll just remind me that that's the day. Actually, you know what? No, let's try to change it. Maybe. Sometimes I don't want to pull these up because I might rip them. Okay, that one came off. Hopefully it has enough sticky left. So we're going to actually put laundry day on Saturday and clean house day, and honestly this could happen either Saturday or Sunday, but we're just going to put it there, and it'll just maybe be more for like the weekend. And then for this week, I think I'm going to be probably ordering groceries on Friday and then picking them up on Saturday. So we use the Walmart app, order all our groceries, and then schedule a pickup time, and it is awesome. Okay, there we go. I think that is where I'm going to end. I really like how this turned out. I just love these stickers. They're so adorable. And I think a fun way to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Thank you so much for planning with me. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like how this turned out, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye!